24-inch 2-speed fan on wheels. It tilts back. Control it, and you can tilt it back any direction you want. There's power controls in back for forward and reverse 2-speed. Nice wheels, a very heavy frame. This is a great fan in your workspace, in your home. If you get water in the house from a storm, this helps dry it out, eliminates humidity. If you're working outside and it's hot, just point it in your direction when you're working on your car. So it's a great fan to have, super tool.